Welcome to today's video about NSE6 NDR AN-26 Fortinet NSE6 FortiNDR Cloud 26 Analyst. What is Fortinet NSE6 FortiNDR Cloud 26 Analyst? Who should take the NSE6 NDR AN-26 exam? Exam details. NSE6 NDR AN-26. NSE6 NDR AN-26 exam topics. Best study tips for NSE6 NDR AN-26 exam preparation. 1. A security analyst is reviewing how FortiNDR Cloud identifies suspicious activity across multiple data sources. Which FortiNDR Cloud capability combines extracted entities, enrichment information, and intelligence correlation to identify threats? A. Sensor registration. B. Portal management. C. Subscription provisioning. D. Detection matching. 2. An administrator needs to collect network metadata and security events from a customer environment for analysis in FortiNDR Cloud. Which component should be configured? A. FortiGate firewall policy. B. FortiNDR Cloud sensor. C. FortiManager add-on. D. FortiAnalyzer dataset. 3. A threat analyst wants to find network activity matching a specific text pattern or format. Which IQL capability should be used? A. Sensor grouping. B. Subscription provisioning. C. Regular expression search. D. Annotation management. 4. A threat hunter wants to proactively search for ransomware activities by analyzing attacker behaviors rather than only known indicators. Which approach should be used? A. Manual log deletion. B. TTP-based threat hunting. C. Sensor disabling. D. Alert suppression. 5. A security analyst needs to understand the sequence of events during a security incident. Which FortiNDR Cloud investigation feature is most useful? A. Portal customization. B. Subscription provisioning. C. Sensor registration. D. Timeline analysis. 6. An analyst identifies repeated DNS queries to newly registered suspicious domains from an internal host. What could this activity indicate? A. Possible malware command and control or domain generation activity. B. Successful sensor subscription provisioning. C. Normal packet capture storage rotation. D. Completed detection resolution. 7. An analyst wants to search for events involving several known suspicious IP addresses. Which IQL capability would be useful? A. Removing all time filters. B. Using in syntax to match multiple values. C. Disabling entity search. D. Resolving the detection before querying. 8. A detection has high severity but low confidence. What should the analyst do? A. Investigate further and gather more context before deciding response actions. B. Ignore the detection because confidence is low. C. Immediately isolate all enterprise hosts. D. Delete the detector from the run list. 9. FortiNDR Cloud reports a behavioral observation involving unusual outbound connections from a server that normally communicates only internally. What should the analyst do next? A. Mark the activity as resolved without review. B. Disable all detections for the server. C. Remove the server from all investigations. D. Review observation details and scope the impact of the activity. 10. An analyst receives a malicious file hash from threat intelligence and wants to determine whether it appears in FortiNDR Cloud data. Which investigation activity is appropriate? A. Search for the file hash and pivot to related entities and timeline activity. B. Configure company branding in the portal. C. Change the subscription provisioning mode. D. Disable packet capture analysis. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.